Hi everyone, great to see you back. I have got something exciting for you today. We are talking about how to install MongoDB and how to use MongoDB Compass. So basically, MongoDB Compass is a graphical user interface where we can perform CRUD operation and we can actually manipulate and change our data of the MongoDB database. Okay. So stay tuned in this video, and after the video we will definitely get to know all these things. Okay, so let's start the video. First, go to the your favorite browser and click on the and write a MongoDB download. Okay, so you will find the first link, that is MongoDB community server download. Just click there, and after clicking there, it will open that link. Yeah, this link is opened and there is a one MSI package and we have to install this file, right? So just click on the download button and it will download our file. Okay. So depend on your system and internet speed, it will download and it takes some time. So just keep installing this. Wait some minutes.
One eternity later.
So after some time it will install and you have to go and just click there. So it will open uh, and this is how it's open, and you have to just click the next. I accept next and just complete, and yeah, this one is the directory where this is saved, and just click there next and install it, and it will take some time and installing, and after that will show you. So our MongoDB is installed. Just click on finish button. So just go there and write MongoDB. Wait. So we have to install the MongoDB Compass as well. MongoDB Compass download. Okay. So this version is GUI, that is MongoDB Compass download GUI, and from there you can download exe package, right? So wait a few seconds, it takes some time. Now we have installed both the things, MongoDB Compass and MongoDB Community Server as well. So just click on there and it will open MongoDB Compass. Okay. So wait a few seconds. And this is installing. MongoDB Compass is being installing. It will launch soon. So this is the interface, how it look like, and you have to create a new one, that is the URL URI, that is MongoDB :/localhost :27017, and from there you can write some name. Suppose that I can write Himanshu. So this is the name of Himanshu, and just click save and connect. So yeah, this is our database there. So there are few databases like testing, admins, config, local. You can delete as well. Just type local and there's one, you can delete from there. So now I am going to make a new one, that new database. Let's say name something that is MongoDB. Okay, and collection name is Mongo. Okay, so just create a database. So this is our database MongoDB and the collection name is Mongo. So this is how our interface is look like. And this one is document, that is aggregations, that is schema, that is indexes, and that is validations. So in the documentation, you can add data. There is two methods to add data, that is input JSON or CSV file, and the second one is insert document. So I'm just clicking on insert document. So, and from there we can write some other thing as well. Suppose I want to add roll number. So this one is number, so I can add two, and I can also something like email. So I can write abc@gmail.com, right? So insert that document. So we can insert like this. So this is our data is look like. Okay. So now we can know how to create data, how to read it. Now the third is how to update it. So this one pencil, you can click there and edit document. And after clicking, you are able to edit the document. So ABCDE, suppose this one is I want to update our mail like this, and click on update, so it will update it. So now you have to look, this is updated. Okay, and from there you can remove documents, you can clone document. So after clicking on remove document, that document is deleted, and it show you a flag that is for the confirmation. So click there and the document is deleted. Just click on refresh, there is 0 out of 0 of 0. So our MongoDB database is inputting and having a one collection name, that is Mongo. So this is how you can create a MongoDB database and how to perform a CRUD operation. So that's all for this video, and let's meet some next video. Thank you.